Hi, my name is Gary Brady, and I've just completed the two-year Foundations on 2 program through the University of Trent in Ontario and the Merit Center on Self-Regulation. I'm part of the first group of graduates from this program, and I'm presenting a series of information videos on the Shanker 5 steps of self-regulation and understanding the 5 domains of stress. And I'm posting these on YouTube. Each video is about 5 minutes in length and contain 5 slides of information. Each video has a brief written description and is designed to be very practical and concise. The series is designed to be followed in video sequence to fully appreciate the self-reg process. Each video will require the viewer to create their own stress inventory and continue to add to it throughout the series. All materials for the series comes from the Merit Center and the Foundation's 2 course participants. Please contact the Merit Center at https://selfreg.ca and for further information on these topics, or you can contact me at www.wildrosecaregivers.ca. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy the series. Recognizing the Stressors by Gary Brady. After watching this video, I'd recommend that you watch the video called The Stress Inventory and the video called The 5 Domains, which explains each of the 5 domains of stress and provides you with many examples. The videos also encourage you to complete your own stress inventory. What is a stressor? A stressor is anything that requires energy to both respond to a stress and recover. Stress can take many forms, such as being too hot or cold, lights being too bright or dim, and emotionally being scared or sexually attracted. Self-regulation is a method for understanding and managing our energy and tension to promote self-regulation. This is a topic I'll go into in more detail in video 5 called Reducing Our Stress. Self-regulation deals with answering the questions: how effectively do we deal with stress? How well do we manage tension? How well do we restore? How well do we avoid energy depletion? Stress can come from any or all of the 5 domains. For example, stresses from the biological domain include crowds, loud noises, lack of sleep, junk food. Stress from the emotional domain include strong emotions such as embarrassment, anger, guilt, or excitement. Stress from the cognitive domain include challenges with the learning process, such as recognizing patterns, remembering, and following instructions. Stress from the social domain include having difficulty reading social cues from others, such as frustration or anger, crowded rooms, sitting to someone, and public speaking. Stress from the prosocial domain include having trouble coping with other people's stress, feelings of empathy, and feelings of injustice. Energy zappers listed in this slide are examples of external stresses, such as loud noises and bright lights, and internal stresses, such as feeling guilt, asthma, and food allergies. From a brain-body perspective, some of our body systems either turn off or turn on in response to a stressor. As mentioned in the Science of Stress video, systems that are turned off occur because the body is launching itself into fight or flight and directs all available energy to perform this function. Systems such as thinking brain, the neocortex, digestion, immune, hearing, and reproduction are all suppressed. The fight or flight reaction begins with a sympathetic nerve impulse that causes the release of hormones adrenaline and cortisol, which causes the body to access all available energy in the form of glucose to be diverted to the skeletal muscles of the body and increase breathing rate and heart rate. Instantly, the body is prepared to engage in either the fight or flight response. Let's take time to determine what those stressors are that deplete energy, both our own and the children in our care. If you haven't done so, please go to video 3, the stress inventory, to complete your own stress inventory. Otherwise, please proceed to video 5, reducing your stress.